Hey guys, it's Kenji from Ergonx and we're at the Athlete's Foot in Carindale and it is back to school season again. So of course we're all busily getting our children's feet fitted for the best school shoes. Now the best spot to get your feet fitted is at the Athlete's Foot, and we're down at the Carindale store and we're answering questions around why we need good shoes, what children's foot problems can be caused by not getting the right shoes or ignoring the feet problems. And Brock's got a question for us. And what is your question, Brock?
How often should we replace our kids' shoes?
So children's shoes, generally as a rule of thumb, we replace them every year. But of course, if they show excessive signs of wear, they need to be replaced. So particularly if they're popping through the toe or wearing out in the back of the heel, or if you can start to see any of the insole through the midsole, that's a clear sign that there's too much wear and tear on the children's shoe. If you start to notice their feet also rolling in a lot more than they did when they were new, often this is because the shoe's worn out on the insole and the midsole is compressed. So as a general rule of thumb, every year, if you see excessive wear or if your children get any foot pains during the year, it can be a sign that their shoes need to be replaced. So keep an eye on the wear and tear patterns in your children's feet and shoes, and then they'll have a much more comfortable year and they'll have less foot pain.